Alright, what I'm showing you is an old ignition module that came out of my 1987 Ford Econoline E350 van. And you see the gunk in there. Well, that's it's also that way in the other connectors that this goes to. It's like a lubricant protective goop that gets old and wears out. The new one is also black like this one. I was told that the older modules were clear so that you could look through this and you could actually see where a component is burned out or burning out. And this is, no doubt, this is an original part. What was happening is my spark was getting weak. I thought it was a fuel problem, but apparently it's the spark. My friend stuck a long screwdriver into a spark plug cap that he took off the spark plug, and that way it would travel down the screwdriver, and he moved the screwdriver close to the frame of the engine, and you could see just little to no spark. We didn't try it with the new one, but the van runs much smoother, starts right up. None of this cranking. So when you hear cars doing that in an older vehicle, it's maybe their module going out, not the carburetor, not the fuel filter, all that stuff that people tend to think of first, like me. There's something called an ignition module. The newer ones, 88 and newer, put the module on the distributor. Apparently those were causing problems, and I may be wrong on that. You car people can correct me. Go right ahead. This is a better system. Again, the older vehicles are proving to me to be better than the newer ones. Newer ones are nice with everything's working fine, and you've got the money to fix it and trade it in every 2 years. Great, more power to you. But if you're not in that position and you have to have an old vehicle, get an older one. The older the better. That's what I'm learning. The registration on my van here, 1987 van, is $36, $37 for the year. Now compare that with $200, $300 a year. And so, you can save money on an older vehicle, I'm telling you. Way to go. Alright, that's it. I just wanted to add this to my web channel, my YouTube channel. Nothing to do with ham radio. It does not, well, okay, I'll make it. The new module does not make noise on the ham vans. And I just noticed it says made in USA. How about that? I'll have to check the new one. Okay, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned.